And hair. Hello?
One of them ones.
But anyways, I got... So, we're on... What the... What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jayla. Please consider subscribing. We are almost to 800, okay? We're at like 775, so 25 away. Anyways, so today is August 11th, and my birthday is in four days. Today is Monday, August 11th, and my birthday is on Friday. So I'm super happy. I woke up like, wow, I'm really blessed. I got 2 missing on this hand and 2 missing on this hand. Yeah, but I was trying to like hold off until my birthday because I didn't have anything going on up until then. So all right, y'all, we are back. I am in traffic. We are headed to Zara. These are how my nails look. We are back to the basics. We're headed to Zara. I felt like today was gonna be the only day I could go, because tomorrow my hair appointment is like 5 hours, and then the next day I'm getting my lashes done. Today was the only day I could go, so we are on. What the? Yeah, just skirt over. Go ahead and get over then. Have your blinker on for a minute so I can see you're trying to get over. Have your blinker on for a minute so I can see you're trying to get over. Don't just try to merge, like put your whole car in the lane. It's called merging, okay? Anyways, I just have a return to make and just want to see what they have, and then we'll probably head home. What's up, y'all? It is the next day and we are on our way to get our hair done. I'm so excited. So excited. I woke up at like 3:30 this morning because I was that excited, okay? I haven't got my hair done in a minute. Well, last time I got it done was for Chicago. Yeah. So I'm getting it done by the same lady. She's been my stylist for a long time, so yeah. And the beauty about her is for like braiding services, it includes wash, condition, blow dry, and hair. Hello? If you know how it goes about getting your hair done, that is unheard of. Okay, so this is why my hair looks like this, because I didn't have to do nothing. I took a shower this morning, and yeah, we're on our way. I don't gotta worry about washing my hair, blow drying my hair, none of that. I can come as I am. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of having all of that included. So we're almost there, but I'm getting medium knotless, if I didn't mention it. I'm getting medium knotless, just classic. I've never really had classic knotless braids, so I'm kind of excited. I didn't really want to go for the boho look because I feel like boho, you gotta keep it up and take care of that human hair, and I just don't want all that. So yes, but anyways, I'll catch y'all once we get to the appointment. What's gonna happen? It is what it is. All right, y'all, we are back from our appointment. Y'all ready to see? This is how the hair is looking. I'm loving it. Yes, I'm loving it. I feel like it's clean parts. The braiding is tea. Do y'all see this? This is perfect braiding. Yes, exactly what I was going for. So I'm so happy she was able to get me together. But now and it took about like 6-7 hours. Like I was there for a minute. Thankfully I brought snacks because I was about to be starving. But anyways, tomorrow is lash day. My lash appointment is at 9 a.m. So we're gonna go ahead and do some skincare right now before we get these lashes so I don't mess up my lashes. So plan to razor my face because that just gives like a clean, glowy look, and then we're gonna follow it up with this max that I never tried before. Thankfully, I can't find, I should have looked for my braiding bonnet before I got my hair braided. I wasn't even thinking. I felt like I seen it some time ago, but now I can't find it. So anyways, thankfully my mom had one, and so we're gonna use hers. I'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. I might get another one. I don't know. I don't know. It is hot. It is hot. I'm starting to learn, if I don't have AC, if I'm not in AC or outside, I do not like the heat because I'm burning up in this house. Well, I do have a fan, but still, it's still hot. Okay, this works. Little does my mom know she's not getting this back until these braids come out, so thankfully she doesn't have braids. It's so good to wash your face after you get your hair done because all that product they spray. Okay, so now we're gonna dermaplane our face. I'm gonna use bio oil, and then I have my razor. Y'all see that? That's what we're trying to remove. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to wash our face again. It's currently almost 9 a.m. I am on my way to my lash appointment. I literally was busting my butt this morning because I was determined to get a workout in. I was determined to shower before my appointment because you're not supposed to like get like any like fog or steam in your lashes after you first get them done. So yeah, I was able to do both, and we're about to be here on time. I'm actually happy because I had to go through a bunch of traffic where people were trying to go to work, and yeah. But yeah, we're about to be there, and she's gonna do my lashes and my brows. Yes. I don't know, it's like bittersweet for me because I actually like the way my face looks right now as far as just like bare, but I need lashes, especially for a vacation. So it was nice seeing my natural face since I've lost some weight, but we need lashes. I might get something more natural. We'll see. You know, it'll look more natural after a couple days. Hopefully, fingers crossed by Friday. But when you first get them done, they don't. They just don't. I've learned that. Anyways, but yeah, this is the before. I still got like a few lashes. But yeah, as I'm saying, I'm like appreciating my natural face more. Because if y'all have been watching me, I've been getting lashes for like the last like 2 or 3 years. It's been a long time consistently. Like I've taken breaks here and there, but like I've consistently been getting them. But this is the smallest I've ever been as far as weight. So seeing my face has slimmed down, I kind of like, I like it. Especially with my hair done. I'm like, hair makes a difference. Like, I'm really liking my face since my hair is done. But yeah. Also, my face is glowing this morning. Loving that. I do still need to get like a lip wax. Definitely need to get a lip wax. And then I also have a Brazilian wax today, which that is the least thing I'm looking forward to. Like, I'm trying to mentally prepare myself about getting a Brazilian wax, because for one, it's been a long time, and two, if you know, then you know. It hurts. It hurts. So, but I'm gonna thank myself afterwards. So just suck it up. Just suck it up. Anyways, I will catch y'all once we're... Oh, and also, barely slept. Woke up at like 4:30. Didn't have to be up until like 5:36. Couldn't go back to sleep. Nope. So, kind of tired. Real tired. But anyways, I'll catch y'all during my appointment or after. We are back, and I'm loving them. We are back. My camera died while I was filming, so. But anyways, we're in the parking lot about to get a wax. I just called the lady and was like, hey, I'm in the area. Can I come in earlier? She was like, yeah. So I'm about to get it. I'm about to get this wax. And like my anxiety's starting to kick in a little bit. But what's calming me is like, you know, Jayla, you've done this a few times before. You shouldn't be stressed. But I'm still stressed because it's not an appointment that is pleasant. Okay. But this is the place I go to. It's called Kaya. I'm probably not gonna bring y'all in. I'm just not. But I love my lashes. And I did my skincare yesterday, as y'all seen. I'm looking like a brand new woman. Okay. Yeah. Yes. But yeah, that's pretty much almost done for the maintenance. I do need to go to like the store and start packing. That's our chore for tomorrow, is to start packing. Because on Friday, Friday is my actual birthday, and I'm not trying to be, I just want to celebrate my birthday. And then at night, we catch a flight. So I don't want to have to think about any packing. I want it to all be done. And it shouldn't take me long anyway, because I already have like some of my outfits picked out. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna mentally get prepared for this appointment, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so we are back at home. The wax appointment went so fast and easy. It wasn't as bad as what I expected. But anyways, I got some packages. But I have this one package. It's not from Amazon. I wanted to talk about it because TikTok made me do it. I'm kind of in like a mood right now. I haven't been spending money freely in the last like few months because I've just been trying to be tight on my money. But like August is my month. So I'm just like, if I want it, I'm buying it. Okay. And I've been seeing this ad for this product on TikTok for a while now. It's a perfume. If you know me, then you know I am a perfume girly. And this perfume was only $20. And it's a dupe for this other perfume that I want that's like $300. So if I could get the dupe and they both have like the same quality, smell the same, why not? And so yeah, TikTok made me do it, especially because it was only $20. Like what? I don't feel as bad even though I still have some perfume I need to use. Anyways, this is called Honey Oud. This is how the bottle looks. This is how the bottle looks. Okay, now we're gonna spray it because, ooh, I can already smell it. Ooh, let's make sure there's nothing sprayed on this because it is gonna smell. Okay. All I gotta say is, yes, ma'am. Wow. This smells so good. Yeah. Yeah. I like this a lot. For $20, hello? I can't wait to wear this on skin, my clothes, all of that. Because just by the way I sprayed it on that paper, it's like very strong. And it's giving like Angel Share by Killian and all hair. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's by DL Marley. I'm having a brain fart on what the name is called. This is what it's a dupe for. It's a dupe for this. And y'all see that price? Hold on. Do y'all see that price? Yeah. Yeah. I need to be in a different tax bracket before I go buying perfume that expensive. Or it could be a gift. But anyways, yeah, this smells so good. I'm happy with it. Thing I got. Amazon played me. This is the travel size of Black Girl sunscreen. No wonder it was $10 on Amazon. Because the one in store is the regular size and it's $15, and this is the travel size and it's $10. So technically I can go buy it at Amazon because they're the same price. I was thinking I was getting a deal.